This is the video about the life of Japanese beetles. This video shows the process from spawning to becoming a larva and beetles. First, collect beetles. It can often be found at night or early in the morning. This tree produced sap and attracted many beetles. There are also beetles below that were found by people and fell from above. Also collect beetles found in trees. It is licking a lot of sap. Preparing a case to keep beetles. Considering spawning, a large case is ideal. In addition to soil, prepare perches and food. If the case doesn't have an air hole, drill one. It turned out to be something like this. For the soil, use humus or a mat made of crushed rotten wood to spawn. If the fermentation mat has a strong odor, let it vent. Fill the box with soil to create a room for the beetles. I tried mixing leaf mold with rotten wood mat. Let's add some moisture. I also added coconut husk chips for the smell and appearance. Let's also set up climbing trees and feeding stands. I also added some jelly and some beetles. Days have passed. After all, beetles climbing trees look good. Move the female to another case to lay eggs. Place it in a case filled with leaf mold or rotten wood mat. If you leave it for a while, it will lay eggs. Place the eggs in a separate box so that the beetles do not destroy them. Before I knew it, a small larva was born. After a week or two, they will eat soil and grow larger. Beetles often lay many eggs. When the larvae are born, they eat a lot of soil. If the soil is full of beetle droppings, let's replace the soil. Basically, all you have to do is replace the soil during the larval stage. It's okay to leave them as they are. From my experience, mushroom mats and decaying wood mats. It grew a lot when I used it. In May, the larva turns into a pupa. It's okay to leave it as it is. I dug one out, so I made a pupa chamber for it. Even in the artificial pupa chamber, the beetles were successfully grown. The newly born beetles are very healthy. I made a lot of them, so I shared them with my friends. How was it? Beetles are easy to grow. It might be interesting to see how you can raise large beetles from larvae. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe and like the channel.